Hello, my name is Grant. I'm here at SkipperBud's in Pewaukee, here to introduce you to the 2022 Harris Grand Mariner 230. As you make your way onto the boat, you can see we got plenty of seating here in the front. You can fit about 6 people in the front here. The seating's got the diamond stitch backing on it, which is very nice detail. As well as we got plenty of cup holders on the front and also USB ports, so everybody can charge their phones and not have to fight over who's going to charge their phone. As you make your way down the aisle here, there's the in-floor storage, which is very nice to have, and on top of the storage underneath the seats. Further back, as you make your way, you get storage behind here that you can put the cover underneath there, so you save your seat storage for your vest and such. Further back here, on the helm, you've got a dual SIMRAD screen, 9-inch, that gives you all the details of navigation and depth finder and such. In addition, it has the digital throttle, which gives you very good control, especially when you're pulling up to the dock set. You can switch to slow mode. And on the helm, you also have a premium stereo system, which also includes a subwoofer in the boat. As well on the helm, it's a raised helm, which is nice. Gives you a little more visual sight when you're driving the boat. As you make your way back a little further, you have the power tower on the boat, which allows you to do various water sports with it. As I should mention, the boat is powered by a 250 Mercruiser V6 engine, so plenty of power to do the fun sports. Back here, you got more seating, and you can configure it different ways. It has the sun bench that you can fold back this way, or seat forward. Sit either way. And on top of that, you've got the extended deck on the back, so you get plenty of room for the kids to swim and jump off the back of the boat. And last but not least, you have spots for 2 fenders that you can store there versus putting them underneath the seats that are easy access.